Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today the mother special video, I'm gonna show you how to make perfect chicken roast. This roast is made by my mom, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. So first my mom is going to fry this whole chicken. As you can see in this video, she's just frying this chicken. All those ingredients are ready already, so after she is going to fry it, she's going to mix all these spices together. This is just a raw chicken, there is no spices mixed, so she is just a little bit frying. As you can see, it's just a little bit brown, not too much brown. If you do it like too much, then this chicken will be hard, so it's better to do it a little bit brown. So when the frying is done, she is going to fry these onions. So she's going to fry these onions until it gets brown, kind of dark brown. This is just for the decoration in the end, but she's going to do it now. This is called presta. In a very medium heat, she's going to fry it. This is optional. If you want to do it, you can do it, but if you don't want, then you don't have to. So in the other hand, she's going to mix all the spices. So here is onion paste, chili paste, ginger garlic paste, and she's going to mix all this together with yogurt. And she is going to mix all this together. Usually in the roast, it's better if all the spices or all the ingredients is blended. And also we are going to need bay leaves, cloves, cardamom. So now you can see that all the spices are already ready, and also the chicken is ready, and this onion presta is also ready. So she's going to take this fried onions, and let it aside. So now she's adding spices like cumin powder, and also dhania powder, and also a little bit of salt. So now in this pan there is cardamom, bay leaves, and cloves, and she's going to just fry it. And after frying a little bit, she's going to put all the spices. All the spices means all the paste and spices all together. These pastes are very important for this roast. Without this paste, or if you just miss one ingredient, this roast will not going to taste the same. So it's better if you put all this paste together. You can see already the color came. So she adds a little bit of ketchup also. And she's going to stir it very well. And now she's going to add all the chicken. And mix it very well. And now put the lid on and let it sit for about maybe 15 minutes. And after 15 minutes, add some milk. For the better color and flavor. And after that, put the lid back on. After some time, always check the chicken. So it is about maybe 30 minutes. Now the chicken looks like this. It is almost ready. Now she's going to add a little bit of chili. And also this is the fried onion that she made. So she's going to add this also. If you add this fried onion, the chicken roast will taste more better. So I will recommend it. And now she is going to mix it very well, so that all the fried onion is going to mix with the sauce. So now the roast is ready and we are going to serve it. So I hope you guys liked this video, and chicken roast is my favorite dish. I hope you like this video and just try to make this food at home and let me know in the comment. and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.